Okay, now we'll start our session. So in previous session, we discussed about the module 1 part, guys. Check it here. So about basic chapter we discussed in the last session. So here, these things, who can learn this Python? Who can learn this Python and advantage of learning the Python? Why Python is having demand in the IT industry? And Python history related points, Python futures related points, how to downloading and installing the Python, Python setup, how we are adding. After downloading and installation, what are coming into our machine? Okay, first Python program using the Python, how we are developing, how we are executing, these all things I explained, guys. Okay, na? So simple points after downloading and installation of the Python. So in our system, ideally, like one tool we are getting automatically. Okay, ideally software automatically we are getting. This is one tool, guys. Along with the Python software automatically coming. No need to download and install separately. Along with the Python coming. Some days we will use this one for developing our coding, and later some real-time tools we can use it. For learning purpose, initial days, this one is the best one. You will get all the rules and regulations by using this one, guys. And also along with this, ideally, Python console, interactive console screen also you're getting. Python interactive console screen also. So this one also looking like this only, guys. Both are same, looks like. But here only line after line, small basic testings only we can do it. But using this lot of options there, so many lines of code also we can create using the ideally software. Okay, na? So, okay, guys, this black screen, I'm not going to use it. So you also no need to use this one, and everyone use this ideally. In your start menu, ideally, you can type it, you will get it, and you can open, guys. Or else make it icon in the taskbar, guys. Directly by clicking that, you can use it. Okay, so that is all anyways. And again, today I'm going to show you first Python program, how to creating, how to executing from the command prompt and from this ideally, and then separate new topic we are going to discussing as okay, na? Along with this, so today we will start these topics related one by one we will discuss. So first Python program, where to creating, how to creating, this all everyone 100% required to understand. I means every day we are going to do the same thing. So here, ideally you're opening and click on this file, guys. Click on this file. So or else control N. So click on this file and click on this new file. Control N is the shortcut. Like this one notepad tool is coming. So here N number of lines of code we can write it what we want and then save it. So first of all, I want print hello messages, guys, or welcome messages. Welcome to students. Okay, welcome to learners, like something. So simply I want to save this one. Click on the file and click on the save link. Control yes, shortcut name. So then it will open one window. By default, Python software location displaying. So don't save in the Python software location. These all folders, Python related folders, don't disturb here, guys. Okay, don't save your file and don't disturb this Python software. Choose one folder anywhere where you want to save it. So in my system, I have a D drive, E drive, F drive, like several drives there. So inside the D drive, I created one folder called AIT2. So click on that. Here the AIT2 is there, guys. So click on this AIT2. Okay, so Ashok IT2, guys. Now here you can save it whatever you want. Already last lesson we created this file. So now one more I'm going to create. For example, this is the first program.py. As sample. Any file name, guys, whatever you want. .py extension is required. .py extension. Okay, no? So here file name .py extension .py, if you are not giving also saving as a type extension is .py only automatically here. Okay, so remember that point. Okay, now here, so click on this save button, guys. So then this is going to saving. In D drive AIT2 sample2.py, this is my file in this folder location. So saving, and after that click on this run and click on this run module. Shortcut name is F5 button. So then here you are able to see the output. So here you can write another line code, whatever you want. For example, here, welcome to developers. Simply one more message. And now here star symbol is there, means not saved. This one is not saved right now. So you have to save it. Click on the file, click on the save. Simply shortcut is Control yes. Then no star symbol is there, means saved. And then click on this run and click on this run module. Simply shortcut is F5 button. Then that latest changes also you're going to get here. Understand this one? So here we are writing the coding. When we are using this run button, so here output we are able to see. If any problem is there here, that problem related we are going to solve here. Like that we can work on here only. Yes, clear? So remember this one basic coding. First Python program how to creating and how to executing. From the command prompt if you want to execute, so go to your folder location in the D drive AIT folder. Now here this is your path guys. Okay, here the CMD type it command prompt opening in D drive AIT2 folder. Now here Python space file name, whatever your file name is, the that name. Python space file name dot py execute, and then here only you are able to see the output. If any errors there, here only displaying, you're going to coding location, source code location, they're solving, and then again rerunning here. So how to executing Python files? If anyone asking, so Python space file name dot py from the command prompt we can execute like this. Before that, where this file is there up to that root folder, you have to open the command prompt. So if you are using ideally tool, from the ideally tool only we can execute it guys. Here only run is there. If you are using any other real-time IDEs, there only lot of shortcuts there. There only we can execute. There only we can execute. Guys, first Python program only how to creating, how to executing. That is only I'm telling here. Okay, na? So again, you are sending messages one more time, one more time. This is the first Python programming. And no worries, number of times like this only, we are going to create files. Slowly, you will understand it. Okay? Yes. So this one, if we are closing guys, tomorrow if you want to use the same one, open this ideally, click on this file, click on this open, Control O is there. And then here, choose your folder. So D drive IT2 folder. Now here sample is there. Select this, click on the open. Then it will open like this. So now here you can write your new lines of code. For example here, simply hello, like one program, Control S saving, and then F5 button running. So then new lines code you're going to get here. All of you clear? So up to here guys, up to this first one. So anyone doubt is there? Who can learn advantage of learning Python, demand of Python history, installation path related, first Python program execution related. So after the end of this session, I'm interacting with you. You can ask me any doubt related to this. Again and again, I'm not going to discussing. If I'm discussing like this, this problems coming. Okay. So directly we'll start today's session. And these all concepts related material and all I uploaded in the portal guys. So last session, some people requested in the WhatsApp group upload, sir. So actually, I informed to the office people. So they didn't added me as a admin person. They forgot. So yesterday, Sunday, and today, management people who has permission, the person went to some outside. Okay, so maybe tomorrow morning they are going to give permission to me. Then I will upload in the WhatsApp group all the materials. Meanwhile, from the official site, guys, you can access it. from the official site, Ashok IT portal is there here uploaded. Okay, na? So if you are making confirmation for this course, enrollment, free course or backup videos related, so you can access it here from here. So for example, here, if I'm clicking on this, like this, you're going to get, so you're going to reading about that one and you're going to understanding about that one. Okay, na? Here, if I'm clicking, so all Python futures related, like you're going to be reading. And then here only interview questions and all I'm uploading separate file. So after reading this one, you are trying to attending the interview questions related. Okay, na? So remember that, guys. See here, these all questions uploaded already. Futures related, 15 questions added. Installations related, there are 12 questions there. So these all questions also previous session I explained. Clearly I explained, guys. So go through this one. Any question if you are having doubt, so let me know after the session is over. So Jupyter, ideally, or Postman tool, or so many tools there, guys. I mean, sorry, not Postman. So this one, PyCharm IDE, Visual Code Studio IDE, Sublime Text. So many are there. Whatever you are feeling compatible, you can use that one. So my side, I'm going to use right now ideally tool, and coming days I'm going to use the PyCharm IDE, and one or two programs I'll show you by using Visual Code Studio IDE also. Yes, here the several people they are sending several IDs related requirement. For example, 10 people asking about 10 different IDs, all not possible to teaching in within 1 month. Okay, na? So coding, focus on the coding, and later which ID you are feeling compatible, use that and do practice. Try to understand. Okay. So now today about this module 2 related, we'll discuss, guys. So before going to start about this one, again I'm going to give the one confirmation. So already WhatsApp group link I posted in the chat box, guys, many times. Still, if anyone pending is there, so now again I'm posting here. So please click on here and you can join into the WhatsApp group. So all our class related, if any link changing, all updates you're going to get here. Okay, nam? And every day our session is going to recording, guys. So recording backup videos if you want. So 999 rupees we are collecting. Cost of this course backup videos related 999 rupees. Anyone who wants these backup videos, so can make it your enrollment with 999 rupees, guys. So 1 year accessibility through the cloud, 1 year time you can watch these all videos. So for the students in middle of the course, suddenly exams submits or some exams are conducting. Okay, na? That's why a lot of people in middle only stopping, guys. Are employees because of their office works. So all sessions sometimes not possible to attending. So those kind of people backup videos can follow it. So these videos, guys. This week as soon as possible you can make it your confirmation, the people who wants to get this 1 year backup accessibility. So otherwise within this week, guys, so going to freeze this course. So later even you are trying to paying this amount, people are not, our management people not going to give you permission. Okay, na? So later regular sessions they are full stack related, you have to make it enrollment for that only. So this is only for special session related. So already I said 30 to 35 working sessions we are planning, and 7:30 to 8:30 1 hour we are planning. So materials, programs, all you're going to get what we are discussing here. Okay, now? Yes, no need to discussing again and again every time. So now I'll start our session, guys. So comes to the our today topic related. Now here, first point, guys, here, Python keywords there, Python comments there, Python quotations related there, Python indentation there. Here, so many topics there. Order is not important. Any order we can learn it. The particular concepts, are you understanding or not? That is important. Okay, na? So first I'm going to this one, guys. Quotations related. I'm going to discussing with you. So Python quotations related, guys. So quotes nothing but quotations only. What is the use of quotations? How many types of quotations there in Python? This all you have to be understand here. So in Python, guys, so we have three types of quotations. Simply in Python, how many types of quotations allowed means three types. In Python, three types of quotations allowed, guys. In Python, three types of quotations allowed. So what they are? What they are? So one is single quotations, guys. Single quotations. Okay, and second one is double quotations using the double quotations related. And third one is triple quotations. Triple quotations. So triple single quotations, guys. The three times triple single quotations or three times double quotations. Simply triple single quotations or triple double quotations. Triple single or triple double quotations. Okay, these are three types of quotations allowed in Python. So remember, guys, one time this is all up to the course. After joining into the companies, also same rules we're going to following. Okay, so single quotations means you can see here directly in the program. I'll show you guys for practice related. So ideally, where is the ideally? Here is the okay. Comes to here directly. We can do the practice here only. Okay, na? So now here. S1 equal to S1 equal to I'm going to write some message. Hello. So here open quotation is there, close quotation is there, guys. Between the open and close, anything we can write that is considering like a string in Python. Later we can discuss more points about the string related. As of now, accept this input. Between the quotations, anything you can write blah blah blah, considering like a string. So open quotations here is there means within the same line only expecting end quotation also, not in the new line. So this is a single quotation related. If I'm printing this S1, then I'll get this hello message. If I'm using print function, just message like we are going to get. If I'm using just S1, then quotations format displaying as it is. This is called like a raw string related information. Next S2 equal to double quotations, guys. Hello students, like I'm writing, and then print yes2, then you're going to get hello student. So yes2 directly you can see, even though we are creating in between the double quotation, no problem. So output in the form of single quotation, you can get it. No worries. But at the time of creating, we can use either single quotation like this or either double quotation like this. That is called a string only. So next, here by using the single quotation, guys, by using single or double, both, by using single quotation or double quotation, we can create the single line string message. Single line string means within the same line only possible. So here you are opening the quotation, guys. So within the same line only up to end. Okay. So more content, whatever you want, you can write, but within the same line only. So when you are moving to the new line, end quotation related, throwing the error. For example, you can see here. So I started a quotation. So Python is easy language, like I want to write. Again, within this same line, I can write this end quotation, no problem, as it is, that is printing. But right now here, check it. Python is easy. I want to write in a new line, guys. In a new line, I want to write easy statement. So for that, if I'm pressing enter, then immediately exception coming, syntax error is coming. Why? Here is the open quotation is there. So end is expecting in the same line only, but you are entered. I entered here this one enter button. I entered for entering a new content in the new line. That's why syntax error is throwing unterminated string literal. Unterminated string literal here. Open string literal is there. Closing is missing within the same line. So that's why you're getting this error. Same like double quotation also. So check it here. Python is, and I'm pressing enter. Then immediately you're going to get syntax error. Are you understanding? Using the single quotation or using the double quotation, single line format string only we can create, not like a multi-line string. So next one, third one, triple quotations related. By using triple quotations, we can create a multi-line string, guys. These all are points important. So here, note one, guys. By using by using single or double quotations, by using single or double quotations, we can create only single line string data. By using single or double quotations, we can create only single line string data, guys. So next point, by using triple triple single or triple double quotations, we can create multi-line string, guys. Multi-line multi-line string data. Using the triple or using triple single quotation or triple double quotations, we can create multi-line string data or also create a single line string data. Both we can create in a single line or multiple lines, n number of data we can create it. Okay, so that you can see here S3 equal to, so 1, 2, 3, multiple quotations are used three times. So now here, just for understanding purpose, line 1, and I'm going to press enter, no error is there. Next, line 2, and again no error is there. Line 3 and line 4, okay? Like n number of lines, whatever you want, you can create, guys. And then close it, 1, 2, 3. So three quotations started, three quotations ended. So now here the print S3, you can print, see here, multi-line string format you're getting. If you want in every line, Python is easy language, Python is a dynamically programming language, Python is more simple, Python supports all databases, like number of lines data, you can write whatever you want. So this kind of many lines of data, if we want to create, we should use triple quotations, either triple single or triple double quotation. If you want, check everything, you can check it immediately. 1, 2, 3. So again here, line 1, and next line 2, and next line 3, and next line 4. 1, 2, 3, closing. So after that here, S4 I'm going to use. So multiple lines you're getting. And one more point here, these all rules, guys. First time you are seeing, accept my inputs. Every day we are going to use like that. Slowly you will understand it. And next, here in every line, guys, ending slash n is there. It representing like a new line character. New line character slash n means new line. After printing line 1, because of this, cursor is moving to the next line. See, line 1 is printing, so ending slash n is there. Because of that, cursor is moving to the new line and waiting here. Next, in this line 2 is there. So line 2 is printing. And then cursor moving next line, here waiting. Line 3, again moving here, printing line 4. So here only closed there. Means cursor is waiting here right now as it is printing. So in every line, end slash n is there. So if you want to get that raw string S4 without a print, directly you can execute it. See, you're going to get line 1 slash n, line 2 slash n, line 3 slash n, line 4. For line 4, no slash n. Why means here only we closed. So when we are using this print function, this slash n also executed. Because of that, cursor is moving to the new line. After printing this line 1, then immediately because of this slash n, moving to the next line. In the next line, line 2 is printing, again moving to the next line, like that coming. Every line ending termination is slash n is there. Okay, na? So, and next here, triple quotations, guys, for single line data also, this is Python language. So you can also write like this, no problem. Triple quotations for making single line string or multi-line string, we can use at the time of displaying output with single quotations can displaying. Okay, na? Yes, guys. So next, come on, let me know in the chat box, yes or no related. So far, these the three types of quotations, everyone understanding? Then I'll make it other points. I'll explain it other points. Okay, hope almost all people understanding. Okay, now coming to the other rules, guys. So next, using the single quotation only, multiple lines of data I want to display. I mean, not display, I want to create. For example, see here, this is Python. This is a Python. So single quotation here I started means again you have to close single quotation within the same line. But I want enter some more data in the new line, only entering related only. So for that, if I'm pressing enter, then throwing the error. Already we discussed. So in this situation, so here backslash you can use, guys. Backslash you can use and press enter, no error is coming. So this is a Python. Python is more simple. Python is more simple. Backslash. Next, Python supports all databases. Like some points, whatever you want, you can write and close here. Close here, guys. So then, so it looks like many lines data. Okay, you are dividing a single line data only using this backslash symbol, like a multiple lines wise divided. But whenever we are printing this S1, you are not going to get like a multi-line string. You're going to get like a single line string only. Single line string only, guys. So this one. But at the time of giving input, you are breaking as like many lines. As many lines you are breaking using backslash symbol. But this should be output in the form of single line only. Allow me clear this one. This is one special concept. Using backslash, we can break it single line as multiple lines. Okay. Next, next guys, one more point. S1 equal to. So here you can see, guys, in between the double quotations, don't use again double quotation. These are the rules. Rules you have to follow. If you are not following the rules, syntax errors coming. Syntax error is coming, guys. So inside the double quotation, not allowed again double quotation. Okay. So what is the meaning of that? You can see here. I said hello to him. One message I want to write. I said hello to him. So hello I want to highlight. Simply I said hello to him. To him. This is my message, guys. So if I'm using this one, so you're going to get like this. Okay, na? Okay, print you can use simply you can understanding like this getting. This is normal message. So this hello, I want to highlight it between the quotations. So then in that situation, okay, directly I will use the print statements, guys. Directly going to printing this one. Okay, this is a normal message. Now I want to highlight between the quotations. So here single quotation I'm using. Again here single quotation I'm using as whatever you want, you can use capital letter. So this is a double quotation I started here. So again searching for double quotation within the same line. So here is there. From here to here, open and close like considering. Between the open and close quotations, so if you want, you can use another type of quotations. This is a double quotation related. Between the double quotation, if you want, you can use single quotation, no problem. Then output is displaying like this. See here, hello is highlighted between the quotation. Okay, so same like opposite you can write. Now here single quotation I'm using. So again here single quotation I'm using, and now here double quotation use. Between the single quotation, double quotation, we can use no problem. So now here between the double quotation highlighted. Okay, now? Now here question is, I mean concept is between the single quotation not allowed the single quotation. Between the double quotation not allowed here double quotation. Means inside one type of quotation, same type of quotations not allowed. If writing what happening can see, guys, here. So one single quotation I'm using, again single quotation I'm using. So in this situation, here is opened, guys. Here is opened. From here to here is closing. open and closing like considering. This is one string. After that, here, this is your own value. This is your own variable name, your own value like considering. So this is already existing, must be required to exist in the memory. Otherwise, error is throwing us. So again, from here to here is like one string considering. This is one string value. This is one string value, guys. In this middle, this is unknown value. This unknown value must be separate after the string with comma separation. Must be required to separate, guys, or with plus separation required. But right now, no separations there. That's why you're going to get a syntax error. Invalid syntax. Perhaps you forget a comma, like something displaying. So simply, even though you are not remembering this message, no problem. This error name, syntax exception name, this is called exception. This exception name, slowly you have to try to remember it. So here opened and here closed, guys. So this is unknown value. Because of that, getting problem. Same like double quotations related also. Okay, na? These are the some basic rules we have to follow. These all rules. Now next, my requirement is, guys, my requirement here. I want to use between the single quotation only I want to use. Then how to use? By default, not allowing, like this error is coming. But we can use one special concept called as escaping sequence characters. We have escaping sequence characters, guys. By using that escaping sequence character, we can use the single quotation inside the single quotation. No problem. So here using backslash, guys, so we can convert these quotations as escaping characters. So now check it here. In between the single quotation only, I used again single quotation. No problem. Like this error is not coming. So check it here. Before this single quotation, if backslash is there, so here open is there. Actually, this is acting like a closing quotation. But before that, if backslash is there, so this closing quotation behavior is not considering. It is like a normal one string value only. Like these characters, this is like also one character like considering. That special behavior is not considering, guys. Next, hello is printing, and then again normal character wise quotation printing. And to him, now here this is considering like a closed one. Are you clear about that? These all informations available in the material clearly, and number of examples also I created. So rules important, you have to be follow it. This 1 week is this entire week what I'm going to teach. These all are very important fundamental rules and regulations you're going to get. So if you want to learn this Python, 1 day coming, 1 day absent, like don't put it, don't attend like that, guys. So this coming 1 week is very important. Here only all the rules and regulations you're going to get. The same rules later onwards, wherever I want, there I can use it. That time without getting confusing, if you want to understand, you have to attend these all 1 week sessions without absent. And also, after uploading material, you have to download it, you have to read it and do practice using this ideally only. No worries about that. So how to escaping a special character in Python, like asking by using backslash symbol, we can escaping special characters. Okay, and special character behaviors acting like a normal characters only working. So next here, if you want, you can see here one more message. So now here, hello students. Hello students. So here slash n I'm using slash n. Slash n behavior is what? New line message. New line message. So if I'm executing, see here, hello students, like 2 lines getting. So hello, and after that, because of this slash n, moving to the next line. Next line. So if slash n is not there, then it displays like a single line only. Understanding? Okay. So now here, this slash n related here, just if you are writing like this, see here, slash n is acting like a normal character only. Special behavior is not executed, new line behavior. So this is escaping character. After that, if slash n is there, actually that behavior is new line behavior. but right now acting like a normal character only as it is printed. So means special character behavior escaping by using this escaping sequence character. What is escaping sequence character in Python? Like asking backslash is acting like a escaping sequence character in Python. Like we are going to tell it. Hope you are understanding these all rules. Hmm. So here, like a command prompt, guys, this screen clear related not there. So if you want to remove this all from the memory allocation, then here click on this cell and restart the cell is there. Restart the cell is there. So click on this cell, restart cell. It is going to removing this all from the memories. Okay, now what is the meaning of that means you can see here a equal to 10 I'm writing. So after pressing enter, immediately this one created in the memory allocation. In this memory, 10 value is storing, and this is referencing to this a variable. This line created, this one created in the Python memory allocation after executing this line. So if I'm trying to print this a, print a, then a related with a name, any reference is there or not searching in the memory location is available. A is referencing this memory. In this memory, what value is there, that is accessing and displaying. Okay, na? So right now here the a or print a you can use no problem. Then you are able to print. So this one from the memory, if you want to delete, then simply here cell restart shell means right now this is deleted from the memory. Freshly started shell here. So shell here started means no one is there here memory. If I'm printing a, if I'm printing a is not available in the memory, then you're going to get name error. Name a is not defined. When we are trying to execute like that, so Python interpreter is searching for a reference in the memory location, but not there. That's why name error, name a is not defined like that, displaying. Are you clear? So sometimes when we are writing like this, many lines of code here, some variables already we may created, guys. So particular variable is already there or not. Sometimes we are getting confusions. That time after executing, sometimes after working sometime, then we are going to restart that shell by clicking this one. Some people doing what means without restarting like this. So this ideally they are closing and then again freshly they are opening. So no need to close and no need to open. Simply here click on this cell, click on the restart cell, then repressing the memory. It is like a RAM memory, guys, a volatile memory. It is like a Gajini memory. Once you are clearing, this all going to deleting. Or once you are closing this one, whatever is loading here in the memory, all are going to deleting. Again, you are going to recreating. Got it? So here 20 lines code if you are writing as for one task related. Once if you are closing this one, all 20 lines going to deleting. Again, if you want to execute those 20 lines, you have to create one more time. That's why to overcoming this problem, so we are using this file and clicking this new file. We are creating all these 20 lines here, saving with one file name. Later, whenever we want, how many times we want, those number of times we can use same lines of code for reusability purpose. Okay, that is the concept of creating the data or code in a file. Clear all of you? This is like a temporary purpose, volatile memory, like a Gajini memory, guys. So inside the file, if you are saving your code, permanent memory, and number of times whenever you want, wherever you want, there you can use it. So Raju, you don't worry about the memory. Instead of you, Python itself focusing on that memory. Just you can create whatever you want variables. So how much data is required for this data? I mean, how much memory is required for this data? Python itself allocating internally. Python is reducing burden on the developers related to memory management. If you are choosing Java, you have to manage the memory management. This is all making a lot of burden on you. But as a Python learner or developer, Python itself take caring memory allocations and reallocations. So this is one of the biggest advantage by Python learning. Okay, so next guys, these all things slowly you'll understanding again and again we'll discuss. So finally here, so check it. These questions related. Focus guys. Quotations related. Mhm. So what I explained here, quotations related. These quotations. Okay. So what is the use of single quotes or double quotes in Python? In interviews asking by using single quotes or double quotes, we can create the single and string format data in Python. What is the use of triple quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes in Python? By using triple single quotes or triple double quotes, we can create a multi-line string formatted data in Python. How to creating single line strings using single quotes or double quotes? How to creating multi-line strings by using single triple quotes or triple single quotes or triple double quotes? So can we use single quotes inside the same single quotes? No. If you are using like that, syntax error is throwing. But if you want to use like that only, by using escape symbol, you can use it. Okay. So why to use escape symbol in Python? First of all, what is escape symbol? Backslash is considering like a escaping symbol. What is the purpose of using this one? So if you want reduce or if you want to omitting or if you want to not considering a special character behavior in your code, then you can use backslash before that special character. Or if you want to use single quotes inside the single quotes, then you can use this backslash, then not throwing any syntax error. Like that, that entire explanation you're going to tell. These all points related more clearly available in the material. Today you're going to get that material. So a lot of examples there, guys, scenarios there. Go through that, you will understanding. One time if you're understanding about these questions, so same points only up to end of the course or after joining into the course also, you're going to use same rules. Got it, everyone? And next concept is Python comments, guys. Python comments concept. Python comments. So here, what is a comment? Okay, check it here. Question. So, what are the comments in Python? Why are they used? Okay, what are the comments in Python? Why are they used? Explain the different types of comments supported in Python. Okay, so in Python, guys, generally two types of comments there. In Python, two types of comments supporting. One is a single line comment, another one is a multi-line comment. Single line comment, multi-line comments. How many types of comments are there in Python? If anyone asking, two types of comments there. What are those? Single line comment, multi-line comment. Now, how to creating a single line comment? Can you explain about that? How to creating multi-line comments? Can you explain about that? Like asking. So now we'll discuss about this one. Single line comment by using hash symbol we're going to get, guys. Okay, na? Simple points I'm writing here. Single line comments by using hash symbol, guys. Hash symbol we can create it. Single line comments by using hash symbol we can create. So next multi-line comments, guys. Multi-line comments by using triple by using triple single by using triple single or triple double quotations, guys. Okay, multi-line comments by using triple single or triple double quotations, we can create. We can create these 2 points. You have to remember it. How to creating single line string using as symbol. How to creating multi-line string by using triple quotations. Simply triple quotations. It may be 3 times single quotation or 3 times double quotation. Okay, na? So for this example, guys. So for example, For example, so simply here, any line you can write, any data you can write, first a hash symbol, and then any content you can write. This is a Python single line comment. So after the hash symbol, if any content is there, this is going to be commenting. Python interpreter is not finding this line. This line is not finding to the Python interpreter. That's why Python is not executing this line. So we are unable to see this one as a output. So check it here. Ideally, you can open. So now this is the line, string line, as it is you're getting. But before this line, if I'm using hash symbol, this line is a commented line meaning. So now see no output is there. If any hash symbol is there, after that any line is there, this is not going to be executing. Okay, now? Okay, for this one file, I'm going to create guys control N new one, control S saving, where you want to save it in the D drive AIT folder. Now here I'm going to save it. Comments program comments underscore program dot py, automatically taking dot py extension. Now here you can write. So I'm going to write some lines of data. So line one or hello one, hello two, like something, whatever you want. Okay, simply line one and many lines of data, guys. So here, so just for your understanding, one line gap I'm taking, or else without line gaps also, you can use whatever you want. Line one, line two, line three, line four, and like this, number of lines there, guys. So line 5, line 6, line 7, like this there. So control yes, saving, and then click run, run module. So all the lines, line 1 to line 7. So line after line executing as. So now here you can check it here side by side I'm putting. So these are your lines, guys. So after executing like this, output is coming. Output is coming. Okay, now? So now here this first line I don't want to execute, then here make it hash symbol. So this is going to be commenting. After executing from line 2 onwards, you are able to see. Okay, so this line 4 also I don't want to execute. Then these two lines not going to get it. Line 1 is not there, line 4 is not there. What are the lines after the hash symbol is there? So this entire line is going to be commenting. That single line only. Next line onwards executing again. So if you don't want these all four lines, then here also has symbol, here also has symbol, required to create it. Okay, now? So like this, we are going to write it, guys. Single line related. Okay, now? Okay. So next, many lines I want to put comment, guys. So again, I'm going to write here these all lines. Rules also simple rules. Okay. So now here 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, and 12, and 13, like several lines there. Now these all lines are going to execute from 5 to 13. So now check it here. So I'm making three times quotations, and here three times I'm closing. Okay? So it means, so between these triple quotations, any lines there, n number of lines, all these lines are going to be commenting at a time. These all lines not finding to the interpreter. That's why Python interpreter from here onwards executing. So those lines you're not going to get. From 8 to 13, you're going to get it. So next, guys, here, if you want, so three times, guys, here, for example, double quotations I'm using. Here to here is commenting. These all lines also commented. Only this line is finding to the interpreter. That line only executing. If you don't want this one also, so here simply hash symbol I'm writing, then no lines are going to executing. Are you clear? Single line comment auto writing, multi-line comments auto writing. At a time, group of lines. If you want to make it comment, then between the triple quotations, either single or double, we can use. Instead of writing in every line starting hash symbol, at a time we can write. Okay, na? So what is the purpose of these comments? If we don't want to execute a certain lines of code, then we can make them those lines in between the comments or as a commented statements. If you are creating, those lines are not going to executing. Next, in the future, I want these lines is okay, 12 and 13 I want. Then I will write here comment and I'll remove this one. Simply, I can get remaining two lines here. So in future, if we want to use again the same lines of code, then we can uncomment sometimes. And one more reason is one more reason. What is the purpose of the comments means for better code readability purpose and also for future understanding purpose, documentation string we can create as documentation string we can create. In each line what is happening, that code we can explain it is for example, you can see here I want to do the addition of two numbers. I want to do the addition of two numbers. See here, a equal to 10 I'm writing. What is happening in this line? If you want, you can express here only. Within the same line, anywhere you can write a hash symbol. From there onwards, remaining content going to commenting. So store 10 value into a variable or else assign 10 value into variable a. Assign 10 value into variable a. So this is a comment line. So here to here executed guys, no problem. From here onwards, this line is going to be commenting. Okay, na? So next one more line. So b equal to 20. So assign 20 value into variable b guys. Next, so here only add both a and b variable values and assign assign into new variable. So like I'm writing, so now here result equal to a plus b I'm writing. Result equal to a plus b. See guys, so here, so this one executing here onwards commented this line. Again up to this one executing in the same line, this is commented. Now here starting only assembly is there, this entire line is going to be commenting. So now this is executing full line. And next print result. Print result. So here also message if you want. So top side you can write or in the same line you can write. Okay. So display final result. Display final result value. So save it and execute it. See 30 you're going to get it. So this is your code guys. If you are writing like this, so later after some days, if you are coming back to here, so in each line what is happening, your code you can understanding easily. Or else your code, if seeing by others, other people seeing your code, so what is going on each statement, you are understanding by seeing this commenting code. So these are the basic lines only, guys. When we are developing the real-time applications, so lot of lines of code we are going to write. So sometimes more lines of code we are writing. After 1 month, again we are coming back and we are looking at this code. So what is going on these long lines? Finally, what returns these all lines of code? So understanding sometimes difficulty is there. So on top of this here, between the quotation, some comments lines if you are writing, these lines are going to return finally this one. For this code, what is input required, what is output it is going to return like that. Comments we are going to write nothing but like a documentation information. By seeing the documentation, people can understanding about this code. So for that purpose, these comments we can use. So simply two purposes. One is for our code understanding purpose like a documentation thing, and another one is some lines of code if we don't want to execute, make it those lines as a commented statements, then Python interpreter is not executing those lines. Temporary purpose. Okay. This is the purpose of the comments in Python. Two types of comments, hash symbol related and triple quotations related. This entire data, guys, if we are assigning to a variable, nothing but this one. See here, something message, something data you're going to write here. Something data you're going to write here. Okay, this is a multi-line comment. Whenever we are assigning to a variable like this, then this is called as a multi-line string. Multi-line string. So right now this is a multi-line comment. After this one assigning to a variable like this, considering like a multi-line string. So all are basic things only. Remember, guys. Okay. So when coming to here, quotations related, comments related. Second, what are the comments in Python? Why are they used? I explain the different types of comments, single line and multi-line, how to creating multi-line comments example, and how to write the single line comments example. Explain what is the purpose of the comments in code. Can you give some examples? So right now we discussed with some examples. So in material, number of examples are given, guys, for practice purpose. For example, this one. So see here about the quotations. These all some general terms we are calling as a quotation, comments, indentation, keywords. So everyone is like a separate concept. So one by one we'll discuss. These all concepts are very, very important for developing the Python related coding. So simply we can consider like a tokens. Tokens means general concepts which are required for developing the coding, Python coding. So this all topic wise we have to discussing. So today we completed about here quotations concept and the comments concept. So tomorrow indentation means what, keywords what, like we will discuss identifiers. These three things tomorrow I'm going to discussing, guys. Indentation, keywords, identifiers. Later these things like that we are going to discussing. Okay. So is this speed is okay, guys? Everyone, are you able to understanding? Okay, I'll stop now here. So if you're having any queries, you can let me know, guys. So you are in the initial stage. You don't worry by seeing these rules a little bit maybe confusing some people. Don't worry. Compared to other programming languages, 100% you will understanding as Python is a simple one, easy to learn like that. After few more sessions completing, you will understand that point. So when we are comparing with other languages, you will understand, okay, really Python is a simple one or not, like you will understand it. Okay, I'll stop that recording, and if you're having any queries, let me know. Yes, guys. So for backup videos, guys, anyone wants a recording related 1 year accessibility related, so definitely it is more helpful to you guys for students or employees. Whenever you have free time, you can listen it. So 999 rupees payment taking. You can consider, you can check it in any institute, guys. So with 999 rupees, no one teaching Python related. So decide, that is your wish. Yes. What is Mohammed? What is your doubt? Print line one, then line one printing.
Sir, can you show single quotes inside single quote by backslash, sir? Can you show
Hmm.
1 second?
See, same question. Right now you got that out. The same one, open the ideally and do practice by your side. Then you'll get more clarification. Okay, na? So here you asked a single quotation, any data. Python is easy language. So inside this same single quotation you're asking. So here single quotation I'm writing, but here error is showing. So backslash you can use like this. Then you are not going to get any error. This is acting
Got,
like a escaping character.
sir, got it, sir. Thank you.
Yes. So
Question regarding the file save. I'm not clear on that one. Can you explain this?
which one?
The file saving.
Okay.
You showed in
File
the
saving.
beginning.
Okay, okay. See, if you want to create a new file, this is ideally first what you are doing, click on this file. Next, click on this new file, Control N shortcut. Now coming like this, here whatever you want, you can write code. So for example, simply print hello, hello message I want to execute. Then you have to save this line. Right now untitled means not saved. So how to saving, click on the file, click on the save, Control yes. So then open like this. So this is a Python software related location, Python software folder location. Don't save here. That is I said. Choose one folder where you want to save it. First, create one folder in your system. If you are having like this multiple drives or only C drive, Python programs like create one folder. In my system, I created like a AIT folder in the D drive. So like this, I created AIT folder. So select that folder. Now here, create your file name. Which file you want? For example, example.py. Example.py. That py, if you want, you can take it. If you don't want, take it also, no problem. Automatically saved as a type Python file only .py, and click save button. So now that is saved example.py in this D drive AIT2 folder location. So now if you want to execute this one, click this run and click this run module. Shortcut is F5. Then you are able to see output here. Otherwise, general command, so where you created in this D drive AIT. So here the CMD you can open command prompt. So now here execute Python space file name. What is your file name? Example.py. Execute output, you will get it. Hope you are
Thank you. Yeah.
understanding. Do practice like that 2-3 times. In the material also there, these all steps.
Sir, which day material, sir? This one, Python token, sir. Where is it, sir?
This is not
This
uploaded. Today discussed.
okay.
Na? Now I'm going to upload it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, na? Yeah. Up to the previous session, whatever discussed, those things uploaded.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
these quotations related, comments related, this all, and these interview questions also you're going to get it
Okay, sir.
by reading and try to attend these things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Any other guys? Already enrollment people separate WhatsApp group is there. In that WhatsApp group, I pasted all the materials, guys. So for whatever completing, what are the programs completing? Right now, I created this program file. So this program file also I will upload there immediately.
Hello, sir.
No? Yes. Tell me.
Sir, why use command line?
Why use means for your code understandability purpose in the future days as a documentation string. Okay, na? And also, if you don't want to execute some lines of code temporarily, you created already, but you don't want to execute, then those lines between the comments, if you are writing, Python is not executing those lines. Again, in the future, if you want those lines execution, you can uncomment it. That's it. Instead of recreating, reusing.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, WhatsApp group link, sir.
Is it your first session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here is the WhatsApp group. Join into there. So in this WhatsApp group, right now I didn't upload it, guys. Directly in the portal I given material and all. For enrolled people, separate WhatsApp group is there. So they already uploaded. There they given as a admin role to me.
No. Admin will add the enroll people into that or what? Sir?
In separate WhatsApp group, admin people will add enrolled people. Okay, na?
Okay.
And in this group, all you people, anyone can join. Okay.
Okay.
So myself also, I'm going to join in this. Actually, I joined here, but like you people only, like I'm also like a student role is there. So they didn't give it to me admin role. They forgot. So I called to them. They went some outside location. So maybe tomorrow they'll give permission. They'll give to me. That time I'll upload in this group also material. Actually, no need to upload here. Already I given one YouTube link also. So in the Ashok IT portal, you people can access directly. You can make it your backup videos related enrollment or free enrollment, whatever you want. So then from this portal, you can get it every day. So after some more sessions, every day I'm going to upload here only. You people are going to get here only materials. coding related, interview questions related and all. If you are making enrollment, payment related enrollment, so recording backup videos related also you are able to see here. For free enrollment differently looking and paid enrollment differently looking.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, tell me.
జావా లింక్ కూడా షేర్ చేస్తారా? జూమ్ లింక్ గ్రూప్ లో అని వాట్సాప్ ఇక్కడ చాట్ లో కానీ.
Java link I don't have, guys.
అంటే
WhatsApp
మార్నింగ్
numbers
ట్రై చేశాను,
I share
వాళ్ళకి
na.
రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వడం లేదు. ఒకసారి
Respond అవటం లేదా?
అది అంటే యూట్యూబ్ లో ఈరోజు క్లాస్ విన్నాను, చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది. కొద్దిగా స్లోగా
Yes.
చెప్తే బాగుంటది. అలాగే
Java,
జూమ్ లింక్
which
ఇస్తారా?
one? Advanced Java na?
లేదండి, కోర్ జావా అండి.
Core Java na?
అవునండి.
Just wait, I will look into that.
అంటే జూమ్ లింక్ ఇస్తే జాయిన్ అవ్వడానికి ఈజీగా ఉంటది. ఇక్కడ ఇస్తారా చాట్ లో?
In that YouTube also you are getting na Zoom link and all. Yes, Java
లేదండి,
live
జూమ్
course,
లింక్ ఏం రావట్లేదు. యూట్యూబ్ లో జస్ట్ లైవ్ వస్తుంది.
Python, free, Java free course for all. Enrollment link there is. Okay, just I'll post something. Try to that. Screen record already started. Huh? Are you able to see my screen?
చూడగలము. We can see.
Just wait. Mm, okay. Can I say tomorrow? Here I'm not getting.
ఓకే అండి.
Here some other
Thanks,
links
sir.
getting. Free batch related not there. I'll take that one. Let me know tomorrow. I'll post it.
యా థ్యాంక్స్ అండి.
Okay. Yeah. Any other guys?
Sir,
Sir, can you please share the portal link also to download files?
This one AshokIT.in. If you are making enrollment, automatically you'll get it download option. Say AshokIT.in official website. So here
Okay.
login is there. So click on the login. First create your account just by giving name, email, your gender and country code, mobile numbers.
Mhm.
Later you can log in, by giving your email and password. So then for you here enrollment, choose a course for enrollment related there. Course enrollment related. Python course you're going to get here, Java, Python like that. Select the Python course, one form coming. So backup videos do you want or no need? You don't want
I
like
want
one
backup
checkbox come.
videos also. I can play.
When you are selecting that backup related, yes option is there, 999 rupees showing, or free means no option select, 0 cost showing. So then finally click confirmation button. You are going to get successfully enrolled for course like that. Getting immediately your enroll course showing there. There only you are able to access the material. You are able to see the backup videos, links and all. And
Okay.
still, if you are having confusion, I will share that also. So go through this YouTube video. So here enrollment related clearly given. One short video did here for doubt
Okay.
clarification related. You know? So
Yeah.
click on this video, go through that.
Thank you.
Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, guys, for advanced Java, someone asked advanced Java. So here some student posted. So check it that one. Advanced Java related. Free link asked someone. So I posted, guys. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, Python installation and setup concept and interview question, Python setup concept. Sir, both are the same notes, sir. In important.
Python installation and setup is one material.
Sir, both are same. Interview question
Okay, okay,
and
okay.
Python.
I understand. I understand. Okay. I mean, interview questions related, content related, both the same uploading. So this week they did some website changes. Something went wrong. So I informed that to management. With 1 day, 2 day, they are going to resolving. So after this session closing, again I will try to upload the only entry question again. Only both places content only uploaded. That is only you're asking now?
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes. Actually, I'm uploading content separately, interview questions separately. But sometimes it is taking only content only 2 times. That is a bug is there in that website. So they are going to resolving with 1 or 2 days.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank
And that too only for this batch only working like that. Again, I have other batches. They're successfully uploading whatever I'm uploading, same content uploading. For this session, I don't know why it is happening like that. Don't worry, I'll re-upload it that. Any other one, guys? So today I explained 2 concepts. How I'm explaining, you people are understanding us. So by typing, actually in my full stack courses, everything like this by typing only I'm explaining. But sometimes employees there they are expecting little bit speed and all. And the students also understanding everything, no need to type on the screen like that. They are thinking, and previous batches, many people they given suggestion like that. So that's why directly from the material, sometimes I'm explaining as in the material only content is there like this. So some main points I'm typing in the notepad, and full information you're getting here. So using the double quotation, using the single quotation, using the triple quotation, what can do? Examples also there. So just to go through this line by line, everything you'll understanding about the escape sequence character. About that, some messages are given here. So how to displaying these all things I explained here. So escape sequence character I used and printing. About the comments related, single line comment, double line comments, syntaxes are given here, examples are given here. Later tomorrow we're going to discussing indentation, keywords related and all.
All these notes will upload in portal, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Topic wise you will get it. Right now in this single material, there's multiple topics there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
So here heading there, Python quotations, comments, indentation, keywords. 4 topics related there here. Again, other 4 topics related, one more material here. Yeah, so many topics there now.
Yes, sir.
So about the operators, separate material you will get it.
Okay. Okay.
So order not required, any order we can discuss. So whatever we are discussing, those things I'll share the material.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yes, tell me.
In the course, you will go to teach about UI models like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, like that.
No. This is Python orientation related, not UI orientation.
Okay.
Okay. For full stack batch, if you are joining, there you will get all those things.
Okay.
Okay, or else separately sometimes taking UI free batch. That time you can join HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. These all you'll get there freely.
You are not going to teach these models, sir.
In this course, not teaching.
Okay.
Okay, here 30-35 sessions we are planning. So in that course duration, these modules covering only time is enough.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you. Anyone having queries? Or shall we close? So today connecting and again same time tomorrow connecting like
Hello, sir.
not
Can
guys, do
you,
practice. Yeah, tell
sir,
me.
can you teach there is one more interface, no? Like Jupyter Lab or Jupyter.
Yes. Jupyter also there when we are installing Python software, especially Anaconda Python kind of thing. If you are installing Jupyter, you are getting. Okay, na?
Yeah,
How
yeah.
to
So
using
that kind of
Jupyter?
it, yes.
Okay, we can
Download it.
plan that one. Actually, I'm not using that one. I'm using ideally tool only regularly, and directly real-time tools I'm using after practice sessions all completing. Directly real-time tools installing.
Yeah. But how is it helpful, Jupyter, when you
That is
compare
also
with this
same.
one?
No. That is also same like ideally tool only coding and execution and running purpose only. So in the Jupyter, boxes wise coming here we are writing coding and executing. Whenever executing here only the output showing. Again here new code you are writing and when executing here only showing like that. It is increasing the panel, this content in the Jupyter.
But I see, I mean, in the video, I had seen data getting loaded and all that kind of thing in
Yeah.
a program.
Uh,
Yeah, I had seen some data getting loaded using that. So
Using
is it
Jupyter.
more helpful or same? No, I
Um,
had seen the YouTube video. One guy is uploading the data in the program
mm.
and executing, and the result is displayed. So
Yes. When we are working with some files related and all, file data, there are only options there and can choose from there only directly your system and choosing files and all. Here in the ideally also we are writing only coding. Okay, file path we are providing in the ideally where that file is there like that. So when we are using the Visual Code Studio and all real-time tools, there are file paths only we are using. So that is just like a GUI tool, some GUI menus there using that directly we can interact into the OS. So actually for our Python related, that Jupyter and all not required. That is some scientific kind of applications related, data statistics related, people using more Jupyter related.
okay.
You know? So Python with the different scenarios there. So statistics kind of things, people using that Jupyter related. For us, not required for web development kind of things. This ideally automatically along with Python is coming. Use that and do practice, no problem.
Thank you.
Yes. Any other guys? Naveen, hi. Are you here, Naveen Jaiswal?
Yes, sir, I am there.
Yes,
Hello?
yes.
Like,
I'm hearing you.
it's mute. I'm not sure. Hello? Can you hear me,
Ye-
sir?
Yes,
All
yes,
good,
yes.
sir. All good.
Yeah.
A
Okay.
long time.
Yeah, I'll send message to you.
Yeah. Thank you,
Later.
sir.
Yes. Any other one, guys?
Already paid, sir, for this backup.
Yeah.
Just to let you know.
I saw Naveen
Okay.
in the other group.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you, Praveen. See here at 8:30 I'm stopping and almost half an hour discussing. So every day topic wise, if you are reading without postponing and all, so little time we can extend, guys. Okay, up to 8:40, like we can discuss up to 8:45 like that. Then more topics we can complete within less time. More examples we can discuss it. But initial days I'll go through little bit slow to practice. This all module 2 concept is very important. Up to first 5 modules, guys, core Python related. So every Python related learner or developer, guys, even your real-time employee, these first 5 modules related, 100% good knowledge is required. In Python related, you can play like anything. It's all rules and regulations Python related, you will get here only. Yeah, Praveen, No problem. Okay, slowly we'll plan that. We are in the first day of the coding only. Last 3-4 session theoretical points we discussed, and today also these comments related, indentation related. These all points newly people are learning. So the people who knows already are the people who are working as a real-time employees with a Java related or .NET related. Those people already having knowledge related to those definitions. In Python, how to write in just that variation only they are expecting. But students also there here in this group. So I need to manage all the people. Okay, now try to understand. For employees related directly, I'm showing the high level programs. So then students will get crying. Yes. Any other one? So these are all 4 topics related. You are going to get today only material. Tomorrow we can discuss clearly. Why means these are all 4 topics in a same material I added up to the keywords kind of thing. In Python, we have several keywords. Later we will discuss clearly tomorrow. Beautifully, we will discuss about the keywords related. Again here, see, someone asked about the Java free link related. So if you are searching in the Ashok IT portal, guys, here only there na Zoom link. Okay, when you are visiting the website, so directly here only there Zoom link ID, password also there. Use that and join that. So no need to ask others, guys. Okay, na? Just a little bit time spending is enough. Yes, Mohan, how to solve in the program. First, we need to get all knowledge. Okay, na? Theoretical points knowledge we have to get. Then when they are giving task, so by applying the multiple concepts in a single task, we can solve that one. So after some more sessions, all these tokens when completing, you will understanding coding part. In this tokens topic only, lot of programs we are going to do. So before going to completing these token parts, you will get some understanding about that concepts and coding related. So later task wise we can discuss also, no problem. Each one related what is what if I'm telling, and if you are spending time for reading related this material, so more clearly you'll get it. If I'm myself only, if I'm spending more time for explanation everything, then every day two topics or 2 or 3 topics only completing. If discussing like that, days increasing. Okay, na? So with 3 days, we are planning these all things. Tomorrow I'll make it these all 4 topics at a time. Okay, shall I close this session?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you for this day. See you tomorrow. So anyone wants backup video, make it a confirmation. For them, separate WhatsApp group also there, guys. So there you'll get all the things immediately. Okay. For this batch people directly from this Ashok IT, you can access it. Bye, guys. Have a nice day. See you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.